again?
This pile of parts here, which is being worked on by a volunteer who doesn't happen to be here right now, is what they call the trolley base. It's actually upside down, but this is what controls the tension of the pole on the wire. And we thought it would be well, since we had someone who was willing to work on it and knew what they were doing, that we clean it up, replace some of these pins which are wearing, and sandblast it and paint it. The bearings look pretty good. There's another half that goes in here. This is all upside down, so it's hard to imagine. Anyway, with roller bearings in here, and they're cleaned up and ready to go in. So that little pins that go in the floor, these, you don't often see these. They usually get broken off, but we had one of our volunteers who worked in a machine shop, and he manufactured those. So those will go down into holes in the floor, which we find are still there. And this, we can just barely get this big piece of cast iron into our
Into the sandblaster?
Into our sandblaster, right? Don't show the missed areas that I...
Yeah. If we could get the window, reverse it around, that'd be great. Okay.
This is that controller drum that we were looking at goes right here. The area for reversing goes over here, and in a moment we'll show you what one looks like, partially assembled anyway. Yeah, that's the one for the other, for the second controller. That we aren't finished painting it yet.
It's been primed.